On today's Facebook Marketplace finds, here is a pretty 1968 Plymouth Fury, up for grabs. Has a 383 big block with a 727 automatic transmission, runs and drives. Selling at $5,500. Next up is a 1976 Toyota Corolla SR5 Sport Coupe. Has a beefed-up 4-cylinder 3TC engine with a manual transmission. Car looks extremely fast and slick. Selling at $5,000. How cool is this 1971 Toyota Corolla wagon? Selling at $6,500. Check out this 1972 Toyota Corolla, also known as a Peanut. Has a 2TC engine with Solex side drafts and a manual transmission. Selling for $6,500. This is a 1973 Dodge Charger project car. Engine is a 440 with an automatic transmission. Selling at $4,500. Look at this 1974 International pickup truck. They just don't make trucks like these anymore. Original interior, automatic, V8 engine. Selling at $6,000. Another great project car, this is a 1963 Mercury Comet, 2-door hardtop, selling at $2,999. Up next is a 1953 Willys Aero, no running gear, selling at $3,700. Very hard to find 1952 Kaiser Henry J, it's a complete car, engine seized, selling at $5,000. Last find of the day is this 1971 Volkswagen Squareback. Body is in great shape. This one is selling for $3,100. For daily great finds like these, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. As always, the links for every video is posted below.